Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating systems. Yes, it's a super easy and a very simple technique to learning and making boost your performance of your computer system. Yes, Windows laptop or desktop which are having operating system of 11 or Windows 10, yes, get it quick and faster. Let's see like a very quick tips I'll share with you right now. Yes, for the first step, like we need to go for Windows key from your keyboard and press R. Windows key, press R to get this like a run window. Now this window you need to type like a prefetch and hit OK or enter. Yes, you don't currently have a permission access this folder, it will ask you. Yes, now you need to continue this option. See here, while running the operating system, you will like operating system itself, it is created, you are not created and no one is created these supporting files. So make sure to remove all these folder inside the files. So click here anywhere, select Ctrl A to select all the files and folders over here and Shift plus delete. Shift plus delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this around 473 items are in my computer desktop or computer system? It may be differ from your laptop or desktop. So click yes to remove all this permanently. Done. My job is first step job is perfectly completed. Now the second step I'm going to taking a move into like a press Windows key to plus R2, type just simply very super easily, you just type here for TEMP. Yes, TEMP, click OK. Now see the same question, click continue to get the permissions and same step you need to repeat over here. Like press Ctrl A to select all the files and folders, press Shift plus delete. Shift plus delete, complete all the files and folders, delete from this. Yes, few of the files may be in use. Few of the files may be in use, it may be differ from like a try again or you can skip it. Means like what the files are here may be in used, okay, which are like maybe currently programs running, and these files may be, it may be here, it will be created. Now the next step, that is the third one, I'm going to like explaining you here. Go to over here like a percentile, TEMP percentile. At starting and ending the both percentiles you have to specify. Yes, now click OK. Then you will see again the same files and folders which you are not created over here. So Ctrl A to select all, Shift delete to permanently delete from your computer system. Yes, try again or else you can go for skip to. Yes, some files may not go for delete, so skip these files and later once you restart the computer and if you are applied again, yes, definitely all the files will be permanently deleted from your computer system and you will get more space to run your computer memory and cache memories permanently in your computer system. The next and super and more performance will get from your computer, that is an option of Clean Manager, MGR, CLEAN MGR. Hit enter. Now by default clean desktop, like see disk cleanup drive selection, it is by default it is a C Windows operating system which is installed, that drive only it is selected. If it is the other than this any of your drive in your computer system, you select that one and click OK. Now you will see disk cleanup window for Windows. Now what you need to do, select all the checkboxes, download program files, temporary internet files, Windows errors, DirectX, all these files you need to select one by one. Now you need to click OK. Okay, click OK. So are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, these are the files you are not created by self, which are supporting to making a cache from your computer system. So you need not to worry, happily you just click this delete to get rid of this cache and junk and temporary files from your Windows like 11 or 10 or any previous Windows operating systems as well. I hope this video lecture is very helpful for you to making more performance in your computer system. Please do subscribe, like, share for more interesting videos and such type of courses. Thank you.